Hello there. I'm so happy you got a chance to click that link, and I'm going to keep this as short and sweet as possible. I have a brand new course available inside the Marley Birdhouse showing you how to make custom knit and crochet heirloom stockings. There are over 50 charts available for you to pick and choose from to use inside any of the 3 pattern templates. There are 2 crochet and 1 knit available to you. Look at all these samples. There are even charts for Hanukkah items because you know what? There are a lot of people who have a mixed household, and you don't have to celebrate Christmas to have a holiday stocking. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link that's in the video description box. Go join us for the Merry Stitchmas Knit and Crochet Stocking Course. See you then.